knowledge.
Money does not grow on trees, and that's the reason why you should know a proper process of how to upload a design to Redbubble. And in this video, I'm going to cover the entire thing, how to upload a design to Redbubble step by step. All the steps will be covered into the video. So I'm back with a video and a face cam video.
A few moments later.
So we are onto our computer screen. The first thing you need to do is press this button, which is add a new design into your Redbubble. Once you log in, after that click on upload your work, upload new work. So once you upload this, then you can select a design which you will be uploading to your Redbubble. So I am selecting a random design which I have created just in 2 minutes. So let's upload that design over here. Now whatever your design is, according to that you have to create its title, tags as well as description. Okay, so let me give some random title to this design. Okay, caution, my sense of humor may hurt you. So this is the text based design, so that's the reason why I am giving a same title to it, and at the end I will be adding something like quote or text start. Okay, so this can be really good title for this. Okay, that's what I think, and that's the reason why I am giving this title. Okay, so this is something like a funny pun or a funny text art. That's the kind of design which I am creating. Okay, so I am writing text art in the end of this. Okay, now you have to just find out tags, and for the tags we are using one of the tool which is really amazing, and that tool is one of the best, and the best thing is that it's available absolutely for free. Okay, so all you need to do is go to Google and search for merge titans. Okay, merge titans Redbubble tag generator, or just go to Google and search for Redbubble tag generator, and the first link will be that. Okay, so you can use this absolutely for free. All you need to do is create an account. Now you just have to type in the keyword. Okay, so I am typing the keyword text art, and all you need to do is click on, and then it will be loading all the text. It takes a bit of time, I don't know what's the reason, but it takes some time to load out all the tags. But once the tags are loaded, you can just copy 10 to 15 tags out of it. Don't copy more than 10 to 15 tags, or else your account may get banned. Okay, so we just need 10 to 15 tags out of it. All you need to do is click on this orange button, and you can now copy the tags. Okay, so I am gonna copy 10 tags out of this. Okay, so maximum is 15 to 20 tags. That's how much you can use in Redbubble. Okay, don't use more than that, because Redbubble may consider it spammy. Okay, now the best thing in the world is Control C and Control V, and you will be copying your tags. Okay, so once you have copied your tags, you need to come and just paste them. Okay, you may also add some of your own tags if you like, but don't add more than 20 tags into any of the design. Now according to this design, you just have to give it a somewhat of a description which is related to that particular design which you have uploaded. Okay, so this is a quote text based design, and that's the reason why I will be giving it something a quote text based design. Okay, so I'm writing this is a funny quote and funny humor quote design. That's something, whatever is coming in your mind, I'm just typing it down. So but the thing is that you have to remember that all the keywords, most of the keywords should be included in your description. Okay, the main keywords should be included, because if you are not gonna include the main keywords, then it's gonna be a little bit difficult for you to rank in the Redbubble algorithm. Okay, so once you have done all this stuff, now all you need to do is go, and here you can select a color. Okay, so you can select a particular color for all the designs with this, but we are gonna keep it white for this design, because I have created this design with black text. Okay, so this is where you can change the color. Okay, so now you just have to select the edit of the edit button under the design, and then you can adjust its size with this bar. Okay, as well as you can also control to place it a little bit upwards or downwards, however you want to change it. Okay, so this is horizontally, that means that your designs comes into a center. Okay, and when you press this horizontally, it comes into the center horizontally, and when you press this vertically button, it comes into the center of the t-shirt vertically. Okay, so that's the two tools which you can use, and they are really beneficial. You also have to click this tick, and all you have to do is select all these other products, so that your designs may also be available on all these other products. Okay, so that's also something which is very important, and then you just have to click on this beautiful red button of apply designs. So once you have done that, just go to the another t-shirt and follow the same process. It's a bit lengthy process, so that's the reason why what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fast forward this video. Okay, so let's fast forward it.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue.
Sorry, but I have to end the song here. And when it comes to this type of designs like duffel bag, you have to select a different option. Okay, so just select this pattern over here, just reduce the size, and you can just add any of the pattern, that is regular pattern or grid pattern. Okay, so now you just have to select any of the random pattern. So now let's select any pattern, and we will make it offset grid. Okay, so there are many of the designs which do not fit all the products, and that's the reason why this is the option which you can utilize. Okay, and you can just, and the thing is that you have to enable all the products. Okay, don't just let any of the product be disabled, because you don't know, you may get sales on any of the product, and that's the most important thing which you have to do. Okay, so now let's check that I have adjusted designs on all the product, and I have just activated all the products. Okay, so you can see here most of the my products are activated, as well as so I think all the products are activated. Okay, now let me tell you what categories you need to select here downwards. Okay, so you can see a media section over here. Now you can select any of the categories over here, doesn't matter too much. So just select, you can select two categories, so select any of the two except for photography, but if you are uploading photographic stuff, then it's okay. Now collections would be one more video which I will be creating a video about how to make collections. Okay, so that video will be coming in the future, so get ready for that. Okay, so now what you have to do is just select any of the design which will be the main thumbnail or the main design which will appear in front of people. So I'm gonna select sticker for this. Okay, and after that you just have to select here no. Okay, okay, so this understand what the question is, as well as you just have to agree all the terms. Okay, now let me check it out that if any of the product has not been enabled, then I'm gonna enable that product. Now let's see, I think everything is enabled, maybe there is something left or not. Let's check it out, because it's really important, because you have put a lot of work to make a design and to upload it to Redbubble, and that's the reason why you just need to have to check that you have enabled all the products. There is also a shortcut method in which you can upload this design just in 2 minutes. Okay, so I have forgot this mask to enable, so I enabled it. So there is a shortcut method which you can also utilize to upload this designs, which I will be making a video in future, so just get ready for that. Okay, and that would be the, I think that will be the next video which will be coming, in which I will be showing you how to upload a design to Redbubble using Redbubble's uploader in less than 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so now you can see that I think this mask look good. Okay, so I think everything is done, everything is clear over here. So now what we are gonna do is we are gonna just publish this awesome design, and you can see we have selected the sticker over here. Okay, so now let's tick the main thing and let's go. So once you click this, and the magic happens when you click on the save work button, and once you have done that, your design will be processed, and within a short period of time, I think within 15 minutes your design will be ready, and it will go to Redbubble marketplace. Okay, and you can start making money out of it. Okay, so you have done a good search engine optimization of your designs, and that's the reason why you will get a good traffic onto your store if you follow this process with the process which I am uploading this designs to Redbubble. You can also follow this same process, or even copy my this entire strategy, so that you can also make some money online with Redbubble. It's not gonna make you rich, but still it's a great platform to express your artistic ability and make some extra side
One
income.
eternity later.
So guys, this is the entire process which you need to follow to make some awesome sweet money online on Redbubble. And in this note, we are ending this video. I hope you have got some value, and you will press the like button and smash the subscribe button, as well as you can check out some of the videos of this which are appearing on the screen. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.